The Milkmaid by Randolph Caldecott, a Project Gutenberg original. A lady said to her son, a poor young squire, "You must seek a wife with a fortune." "Where are you going, my pretty maid?" "I'm going a-milking, sir," she said. "Shall I go with you, my pretty maid?" "Oh yes, if you please, kind sir," she said. "What is your father, my pretty maid?" "My father's a farmer, sir," she said. "Shall I marry you, my pretty maid?" "Oh, thank you kindly, sir," she said. "But what is your fortune, my pretty maid?" "My face is my fortune, sir," she said. "Then I can't marry you, my pretty maid." "Nobody asked you, sir," she said. "Nobody asked you, sir," she said. "Sir," she said. "Nobody asked you, sir," she said. The end.